Hi Subbies, it's Bree. So I have been wanting to do Vlogmas for I don't know how long, and I want to participate this year, but I did miss the first, I guess, 5 days now because it's December 5th, and I have not posted yet. In my defense, I have been working. I've been doing overnight shift. So when December started, I was already doing overnight shift, and I missed a few days. So what I'm going to do is, I have some videos that I want to share with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and post, and just hope you guys enjoy. I will be vlogging from now on, so I will have one up so that you guys can see, because I did go to this event and I want to share it with you a lot. Okay, so yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye. So I'm coming to you live from Atlanta, Georgia. Weezy F baby. For the past probably 2 weeks, shoot, it's been a minute. I've just been throwing like water and gel on my head, and then I started throwing my wig on. But today we're gonna do something about this because this is unacceptable. To fix this problem, right, we're gonna go to the good old goodie. We're gonna use the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, and I'm gonna try to put a link in my description box below so that you guys can order this off of Amazon. But if you have a beauty supply store near you, or even like a, maybe like a Walgreens or something like that, you can pick it up from out of there. It's not that expensive. Then with it, I'm going to go ahead and put some of my good old apple cider vinegar. You can also find this in like your local supermarket. Since you can't use metal with this bentonite clay, I went ahead and I got some plastic bowls. You can get these literally for $1 at like Dollar Tree or whatever. Even if you just have some in your house, you can use that as well. I didn't, so I went ahead and bought me one. I did not get a spoon, okay, and I don't have a spoon, so we're gonna be ghetto today, and we're gonna use this little butter knife to just mix up everything. So now I'm going to show you guys how I mix up the bentonite clay and the apple cider vinegar. I honestly did not measure this any kind of way, but if you do want it to be measured, make sure you get the bowl that has the measurings on the side. So I went ahead and I dumped some bentonite clay in. As I said, I'm not measuring it, so I just eyeballed what I thought would be enough for my hair. And once I did that, I went ahead and just poured in some apple cider vinegar. Now you want to pour enough so that it can get to the consistency that you wanted. I didn't want mine too thick. I wanted it to be thick but smooth enough so that I can just apply it straight to my hair without any problems. So before I go with my hair, I just want you guys to see really fast how disgusting. It's bitch disgusting. My hair looks. It's all types of matted. Ew. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply this clay and hope and pray that I don't lose my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. Alright, so now that my hair is all wet, I done sectioned it off into these 4 parts. And I'm gonna go ahead and just start applying the mask straight to my hair. So it done got kinda, might have to put some more. So this is what it looks like, very thick consistency. And you're just gonna just throw this all in your head. had my hair in this little bun, like, for I don't know how long. Like, I'm gonna have so much shed hair, it's ridiculous. So this is just water in here. I'm just doing this to have my hair wet because it's drying up. So this is how much I have left. I actually didn't need to make any more, so that's awesome. I'm just gonna scrape up the rest that I have and like just throw it all in my hair, and whatever else is left I'll probably just put on my face. So I have applied the clay all into my hair, and I went ahead and threw like some on my face, because be prepared to get messy, because it gets a little messy. So this is my shed hair so far. It's actually not that bad, but yeah. So I'll be back. Okay, so I've lost a little light because it's supposed to rain in like a few minutes. It's supposed to really go down, but it's gonna rain today, and so I lost a little bit of the sunlight, but it's okay, we still got something popping. So I want to show you guys how my hair is looking now that I'm out of the shower. This is my hair now. It is back to being its soft self. Oh my god, my scalp feels so freaking clean. My curls are here. They're saying hello. I did use some shampoo after I rinsed out the mask. You don't have to, but I used it to make sure that I really got the clay out of my hair. I only did one wash with the shampoo, and then I did one pass with some conditioner just to add a little more moisture back into my hair, because of its condition. But you can literally mix up the clay, put it in your hair, rinse it out, and then just put in like your leave-in or whatever after the fact. You don't even have to do the extra steps. But yeah, kudos to this, and of course the apple cider vinegar. So please make sure that if you do need a reboot, you pick you up some of this, you know, in case you need it. And yeah, even if you don't use this, you can just use the apple cider vinegar by itself. That can also help you. But if you're in my kind of state, you might want to pick this up. Since you might want to pick this up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me bring my hair back to life, because she was leaving me. I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on my scalp, and then I'm gonna put some serum or something in my hair, just so it stays moisturized, just to lock in that moisture. And probably gonna just throw it in some like loose braids and just throw my wig back on, because I do have to go to work in like a few minutes. I have to leave. Please be sure to like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and slap that damn subscribe button if you want to see me and more videos from me and some other content on my channel. You can go ahead and check out all my other videos on my channel on natural hair. Also, if you're interested in maybe some makeup stuff or just some other videos in general, you can go ahead and check that out as well. And I love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.